Oh, pet hair! Oh! Welcome to the review of the handheld vacuum cleaner by Novete. I think that's how you pronounce it. I normally get it all wrong. So this is actually an Amazon. It's not an Amazon Basics, which I thought it was going to be, but quite a nice little unit actually. We can see the power rating is 75 watts. Charging adapter, battery type lithium, 2600 milliamp storage, voltage 10.95. Charging time 3.5 to 4.5 hours. It's quite a lot of charging time, isn't it? Operating time per charge 20 to 30 minutes, and 72 decibel sound level. It weighs 1.3 pounds or 600 grams. Made in China. So without further ado, this is the box, but we've already taken it out of the box, and this is what you get. Pretty simple unit. I just need to check in the box actually, because I'm just wondering if we get a wall mount unit or not. These are the instructions you get with it, with the VT-DH005, and you get a couple of attachments, but you don't seem to get a wall mount bracket, which is not the end of the world, is it now? So that's quite nice. You get the long one, whatever it's called, and you get the brush attachment. So you just pop that in there like so. The game changer with these portable vacuum cleaners is obviously lithium batteries. They last a lot longer than the old technology. Black & Decker used to make these things and they didn't really last long because the batteries were NIMH or NiCads that really didn't like being recharged more than a couple of times. So let's have a look at the brush attachment, and then we're going to go into some real world testing. So what do we get? We've got a lock, unlock on the actual hand unit. So we pull that off. Little filter, rubbish and dirt go in here. Filter, like so. I would say these are cleanable. Maybe you have to replace those. Don't know. Let's put it locked again. It's quite nice. Quite a nice unit. And there's it on. It's got 2 speeds. Let's take that charger out. So it's got 2 speeds. That one. And that one. So when you first switch it on, it's high speed, and you press it again for the lower speed. Quite a bit of suction there. I think what we'll do is try it with this attachment. It has already been used, this, I can see the stuff in there, so but I think it's only been used this morning. It's got this like strap on the end which you can hang it up with. Seems quite reliable, sturdy. So let's do some testing. Let's try and find some things to suck up. Oh no, look at this mess. We better try and clear it up. Let's try it out. Let's try it on super speed. Quite powerful. They're in there. Try on the slower speed. Still does it. No problem. Let's go on to a whole new level. Oh, pet hair! Oh! That was quick. We'll basically do that in slow-mo because that was way too quick. Oh! Pet hair! Oh! That's great. Ryvita! Ryvita! Gone. Look at that. It's all in here. You see it? The only thing you're limited by is this. But having said that, it's quite a good opening on it. Diameter. Right. One thing I'm not sure about, and forgive me for this, I should have done my research. No doubt someone's going to say I should have done my research. But this, I'm just confirming that this is not a wet and dry one, because it is an important feature of this review. I'm going to say it's dry only. You would have to be fairly silly to try and use it to hoover up drinks. But let's do one final test. Let's see if it can suck up its own bag. Own bag suck up test coming on now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is in slow-mo. This is live. This is live. It's going slowly. You can hear me. Not bad. We were not going to do this because it'll probably block up the whole thing and burn it out. Alright, I'm going to look for something else. I just can't stop. Let's see. It obviously won't suck this up, but let's see if it's got enough power to pick up a dry board marker pen. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do with this. Here we go. Full power. Just about. Just about. I am scanning my room for things. I'm scanning my room for things to try, and I'm running out of ideas. I think we've probably gone through the whole list of materials that this device will suck up. This is under 5 minutes, and this is the Novete Handheld Vacuum Cleaner VT-DH005 from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description, but I'm going to give this 5 out of 5. Pretty useful piece of equipment. The only downside I would say is the charging time. Charging time is a bit ridiculous, but if you're just using it for the odd spill, not water though, rice or Ryvita or anything apart from water, it's brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.